Hi everyone, my name is Christine Herrin. So I'm really excited to tell you about this fun collaboration that I got to work on with the amazing Lauren Hom.
I'm a hand lettering artist and I'm super excited to be collaborating with my friend and fellow designer, Christina Herrin.
I designed a recipe card, she added her amazing illustrations to it, and we've turned it into a template for you to create your own recipe cards.
The recipe that I am sharing is for a mocha bundt cake. My great aunt used to make it and it is so delicious and so simple.
Put the template together on InDesign and you might see some new features that InDesign has to offer as well. With Share for Review, I can get feedback from Lauren right in the app by clicking the share button. Lauren can simply comment using a browser without needing to download InDesign, and her comments will show up directly in the app for me to address. This template was really made to share all your favorite family recipes. So it's really customizable. You can swap out the colors, you can swap out the little illustrations that we got from Lauren's header. Go ahead and make it your own.
After all this time designing my bundt cake recipe on screen, I think I'm actually starting to crave it in real life now. So I think I'm gonna go have to make it.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your recipes with us.